Hey class. Welcome to Astrology 101. Tropical Astrology 101. This is kind of weird to make, but we're gonna roll with it. So, this is lesson one, and it's the basics. What we're gonna learn today is who the creator is, the origins, the meaning, the uses, the importances, the signs, and the zodiac wheel. So in total, there's like 20 slides. So it's not gonna be that hard, okay? I promise. And the assignment isn't that hard either. You will see. But let's just begin. So this will be like daunting, but it's just the history, and I'm not gonna like quiz you on this. You look such a teacher. But I might quiz you on like who made it and like what the definition is. But let me start. So, tropical astrology. It was devised in 331 BC, so a really long time ago. Hippocrates created the system. He's this Greek astrologist. Um, it actually took a while for him to um, actually name it and begin with the whole, Aries, Gemini, blah, 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 blah. But this astrology is based on Vedic astrology or sidereal astrology. That is the original astrology. It is Hindu, or you could say it's Indian astrology. It formed between 5000 to 10,000 BC, which is way longer than 331 BC. So it was created by the sage Burgu. Um, and I'm not gonna go too into depth on Vedic astrology. I might like compare and contrast sometimes, but this is focused on tropical astrology. Tropical astrology is also called Western astrology. Um, so tropical astrology is astrology in general is believed to be a type of pseudoscience, meaning it's not based on facts but theory. So take this with a grain of salt. It's not science like geography or whatever. Um, People call it pseudoscience because there's not really any fact behind it. It's more of fact in your mind. Um, Kind of how you relate to it. There's nothing that says like a current from Mars is coming down and it's deciding whether or not you're gonna eat cereal today or not. It's not like that. It's just things that you can refer to in your life. But what is it? I will now speak the actual definition. Astrology is defined as the study of the movements and relative positions of celestial bodies, interpreted having, that is spelling error, having an influence on human affairs in the natural world. So, like I said, it's not, there's no, you can't, what's the word? You cannot, like, oh my god, I just forgot what I was saying. You can't, like, measure it. That's the right word. You can't measure it. So there's no way you can call it actual science. But yeah, so basically what this means is the positions of celestial bodies, and it's on an elliptical in the sky, just like how the planets are, Earth is, and just the relations between them and how we define them in ourselves and in the natural world. So this includes planets, constellations, stars, aspects, orbits, and the relationships between them. So, why is it important? First of all, it's fun. It's fun to learn about. I think it's fun. Whatever. It may help you understand things about yourself and about other people. It gives a sense of community. It can give answers, solutions to what you assume is a problem or bad about yourself. Which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with what astrology tells you is wrong with yourself. It's a way to better yourself. And everybody has flaws to their personalities. It's not like we get to change that. It's what we naturally are, so don't feel bad about it. And it has truth to it, even though it is pseudoscience. So, there are 12 zodiac signs. Zodiac signs are a part of a band in the sky centered on an elliptic that encompasses the different paths of the planets. It is divided into 12 different constellations. Each constellation is a part of a slice of pie in the sky. Every pie is 30 degrees longitude. So this is what it kind of looks like in the elliptical. Every slice of pie is a sign, and all of them are in 30 degrees. So that's just kind of how you see it. And then the constellations right here in the middle are for every one. So now I will go through all of the zodiac signs in order. So Aries is right here. It's the first sign in the zodiac. Its symbol is the ram. The sun transits the sign from March 20th to April 19th. The element is fire and the ruling planet is Mars. I'm just getting the basics down. I'm not going into what Aries means, what Aries do, blah, 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 blah. So, next is Taurus. It's the second sign in the zodiac. The symbol is bull. The sign transits the sun April 19th to May 20th. The element is Earth and the ruling planet is Venus. Gemini, right here. Third sign in the zodiac. Symbol is twins. Sun transits May 21st to June 20th. The element is air. Ruling planet is Mercury. Cancer, fourth sign in the zodiac. Symbol is crab. Transits June 21st to July 21st. Element is water. Ruling planet is moon. By the way, moon and sun are considered planets in tropical astrology. So don't correct me on me calling the sun and moon planets, or Pluto, since Pluto is not considered a planet anymore. Then there's Leo, the fifth sign in the zodiac. Symbol is lion. July 22nd to August 21st, fire, sun. Virgo, sixth sign. Symbol is virgin or a maiden, just a woman, a beautiful woman. Sun transits August 22nd to September 22nd. Element is Earth, ruling planet is Mercury. Libra is the seventh sign. The symbol is scales. Transits September 23rd to October 22nd. Element is air, ruling planet is Venus. Scorpio is the eighth sign. Symbol is scorpion. Transits October 23rd to November 21st. Element is water. Ruling planet is Pluto. Sagittarius is 9. Symbol is centaur. Transits November 22nd to December 21st. Element is fire. Ruling planet is Jupiter. Capricorn is the 10th sign. The symbol is goat. Transits December 22nd to January 19th. Element is earth. Ruling planet is Saturn. And by the way, I will get into the elements. I will get into the planets, the ruling planets. I'll get into symbols. These are just, again, the basics. Aquarius is the 11th sign. The symbol is the water bearer or just water. Transits January 20th to February 18th. Element is air. Ruling planet is Uranus. And lastly, Pisces is the 12th sign. The symbol is fish. Transits February 19th to March 19th. The element is water and the ruling planet is Neptune. So those are kind of the basics. This slide looks very, very complicated, but this just shows the path of the zodiacs and kind of what they look like. Like, let me show you. This is what you're supposed to be focusing on. This is the sidereal zodiac, but this is the tropical zodiac. And this is the path this is the elliptical that all of the signs are on. And you can see they're all in their slices of pie. And then you see the actual elliptical that the Earth is on and how it, moves and transits. This is the sidereal one if you're interested. It's kind of basically the same, but a little bit different on how it's kind of laid out. And then here is just kind of more of a simplistic version. Don't pay attention to the description, but you can see Aries starts here, and since Libra is the 6th, it's the opposite. So it's at the October equinox, and then this is the vernal equinox, and it just goes in its own path. because that's the equator, and then that's the elliptic, the sun. If you don't understand, it's fine. But just know that it runs on its own elliptical, and every sign has its place, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I will show you your assignment. This is the first assignment for you guys. Like I said, it's very simple. So basically what you're gonna do, this is the zodiac chart, and you saw this exact chart in the slides, but basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out what the name is, and then the symbol, and then the constellation. So I want to see the name here, the symbol here, and the constellation in here. The constellation doesn't have to be perfect. Just get like the rough outline that you see. And then send this to me somehow when you're done, and I will give you a grade. Make sure you put them in the right order and everything. And yeah, I will start getting the Quizlet and Kahoot together, but that's basically all that I have for the first lesson. So, thanks for watching. I expect this assignment to be handed in like a week. I don't really care. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.